It is a bright morning, and Chimpu and Bunny are having yummy cookies at Bunny's house.
I have baked cookies. These are round in shape. See, like a circle.
What is a circle?
A circle is round in shape, like cookies. Let's look around. Can you see things that look round in shape?
Wow! They all look round in shape.
Yes. This is how you draw a round shape. This is a circle.
A button and a wheel are also in round shape.
A circle is the ship that goes round. A circle is the ship that goes round. A circle is the ship that goes round and round and round and round and round.